Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model. It is a 3D origami vase in shape of a heart with small 3D origami rows. I hope you like it. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate or leave a comment. Let's start. Now we will use small pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper, and the pieces are made exactly in the same way, and we connect pieces like this. We go with 3 rows in the same time, and we use pink pieces, and we connect pieces like this until we have 8 pieces in the first row, 7 in the second, and 6 pieces in the third. And now we close the circle and we complete with 1 piece the second row and with 2 pieces the third row. Now we have 8 pieces in a row and we increase to 16. First we push a little bit like this, and we increase in this way. We put 1 piece between 2 pieces from the previous row, like this, and then we put 2 pieces above. Next we increase again, and we repeat this until we finish the entire row. Don't forget to glue all these pieces. And now we have 16 pieces in the last 2 rows. Next we put 2 normal pink rows. Do not forget to alternate the direction of the row. If you put a row in this direction, we put 16 pieces in this row. The next row we put the pieces in the other direction. We go like this. Next we put 1 pink piece, then we let 2 edges free and put another piece, and we repeat this. 2 edges free and 1 piece, like this. In total we put 8 pink pieces. Now we connect again pink pieces like this. I already put glue inside the pocket, and we go only with 2 rows, 4 pieces in the first 5 pieces in the first row, and 4 pieces in the second. Like this. We close the circle and we complete with 1 piece the second row. And we have a very small 3D origami op. Next we increase the number of pieces. We will double. We have 5 and we increase to 10. And for this we put pieces like this. We put 1 piece between the pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 pieces above. Repeat. Increase again. And we repeat the pattern until we complete the entire row. And now we have 10 pieces in the last row. Now we will glue this together. We glue this one, we put glue here, and we connect like this. It is a very simple flower and very easy to make. Like this. Next we make the strip of our little rose, and let's start. First we will make this strip. It is very easy to make. We connect small green pieces. We put 2 normal and 1 inverted, and repeat. 2 normal. Normal means that this round part of the piece is outside. You can see. And the inverted piece, the round part is here. Okay, we put 2 normal and 1 inverted. Repeat, the round part of the piece is inside here. And we connect pieces like this until we have 21 pairs of 2 pieces like this one. You can see them here. 21. Now we give a little bit of curve like this. The rose will be here, and to have a little curve, something like this. Next we make these small leaves. We need 2 like this one. And now we start from 1 green piece, and then we increase with 2. We increase to 2 pieces in the next row. And for this we put 1 piece in each edge. We put 1 piece in that edge there, and another piece on the other one. Do not forget to glue. Then we put 1 normal in the middle, and we increase again. We put 1 piece in this edge and another one here. And now we have 3 pieces in this row. Then we put 2 pieces in the middle, like this. And then we increase again. 1 piece here and another one there. We have 4 pieces in this row. Now we put 3 pieces here in the middle, and then we put one piece in these two edges here, like this. We repeat on the other side, and here in the middle we put two pieces. Next we put three pieces, next row. Then we put two. Now we let the first edge free and we put one piece in the other ones here, like this. Then we put one normal in the middle, and again we put one piece in this and this, in these two edges. Then we put two pieces and the last one like this. At the end we push a little bit to give a nice shape. And this is our leaf. We need two of them. Now we glue all parts together. I use a glue who dry very fast, and I put some glue here and then connect here in the middle. And we hold for a little bit for the glue to dry. Now for the string we put the last inverted piece here like this, and again we have a little curve. And we glue one leaf here like this, about 6 row. Very simple. We put glue here and then glue like this. Push and hold for a little bit for the glue to dry. Next, here we let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 5 we push a little bit. This will be the place where we glue the second leaf, like this. Again, we put glue and then hold for a little bit for the glue to dry. Now we curve a little bit like this and we glue here like this. And my 3D origami small rose is finished. Now we connect the red pieces. We go again with 3 rows and we connect pieces until we have 8 pieces in the first row, 7 pieces in the second, and 6 pieces in the third. One more. And now we put 1 piece in the second row and 2 pieces in the third row. Do not forget to glue. And we obtain a 3D origami open base, 3 rows, 8 pieces in each row. Next we put entire red rose, and we put rows like this until we have in total 8 rows. Now we have 4. Now we put the 5th row and we change the direction of the row like this. Now we have 8 pieces, 8 rows, sorry. 8 rows, and each row has 8 pieces. Now we have all parts finished, and we must glue them together. This is the little rose, and it is very simple to make, and we will glue first these two together like this. I use a glue who dry very fast, and I put some glue here. Then I put the rose, but not too much, and then we push like this. And now we put glue here. Glue very well. And wait couple of minutes for the... Now we put glue here. And then we put here in the middle, push a little bit, and then wait a little bit for the glue to dry. Now I glue all parts together, and my 3D origami heart, my 3D origami vase is finished. It is a beautiful model, and I hope you enjoy it. This is all for today. Have a nice day.